everyone, today's topic is about skeletal system. See, if we talk about the skeletal system, it provides framework to the human body, help to perform different activities like support, movement, protection, reductions of the blood cell and endocrine regulation. Last is this stage of the minerals. See, during birth, the child is having 270 bones, but when they grow up and become adult, only 206 bones are left. Why this happens? This happens because some bones are fused inside, and about this fusion we will learn in this session only, coming session. So first we will start about these two parts of the skeleton. See, two parts, they are axial skeleton and appendicular skeleton. See, today we will discuss only about this axial skeleton. See, in axial skeleton, this skull, vertebral column and rib cage. See, these three parts we will discuss its part. So in skull it has three parts. It is cranium and facial. See, in cranium it has 8 bones. First is frontal, which is required 1 only, and spheroid, it also requires 1, ethmoid, it also requires 1, temporal, it requires 2, occipital, it requires 1, parietal, it requires 2. So the total bones here in cranium is 8 bones. And next, facial. See, in facial, nasal, it requires 2 bones, volatile, it requires 2, lacrimal, it requires 2, zygomatic, it also requires 2, inferior turbulate, it also requires 2, mandible, the lower jaw, it also requires 2, and maxilla, it also requires 2. So the total bones in this facial is 14 bones. And next we will go to ear. It is in the skull only. Ear also have 3 bones, malleus, icus and stapes. See, this malleus, icus and stapes are in both the ear. So the total bones here is 6 bones. And hyoid bones. This hyoid bones also is only 1. So here the total is 29 bones. Next we will go to vertebral column. See, here in vertebral column, this spine cord and this vertebral column, it is actually made up of series called vertebra. See, if we talk about this from the top to bottom, then this first 7 pairs which is there in that are under the cervical spine, and the 12 pairs which are found under that is thoracic spine, and the 5 pairs are under lumbar spine. So here in vertebral column 33 bones are there, but due to this fusion only 26 bones are present in vertebral column. Next we will discuss about this rib cage. See, this rib cage has 12 pairs, that means total 24. So this rib cage, again, it is called true bones. Why true ribs? Why it is called? It is called first 7 true ribs because it is directly attached to the sternum. That's why it is called true ribs. Next, false ribs. Why this 8, 9, 10 is called false ribs? It is called false ribs because it is not directly attached to the 7 pairs bone, and it is just come in with this 7 pair and it is fused inside. That's why it is called false bone. It is not contact in that as well. And why this is called flatting ribs also, the 11, 12. It is called flatting ribs because this flatting ribs, it is not directly or indirectly attached to the sternum. That's why it is called flatting ribs. Next, we will go to sternum bones. See, this sternum bones, that is in the middle part of the rib cage, it is only 1. So, in this axial skeleton, we have total bones is of 80 bones. So, this about appendicular, we will discuss in the next session. In this explanation in axial skeleton, if you have any doubt, any clarifications you need for you, then you just give in the comment.